occasionally you're going to be sent out to a job site where the panel's just, it's a mess. I don't know how else to say it. And they don't teach this in fire alarm school. But let's take a look at a couple panels that just kind of destroy your day, so to speak. They're still serviceable, but it makes it very, very tough when you can't follow the wiring. Let's have a look.
Stop, right?
Yeah, it's hooked up.
Yeah, no, not gonna happen down here.
These types of panels do show up in your day quite often. So you are going to see them from time to time. Perhaps even daily. Makes it tougher. The people that put them in and don't trim up the wires properly make it probably 10 times harder to service, just because you can't follow anything and they collect more dust. Makes the job a lot tougher for the service technician. So if you are putting panels in, this is a reminder of how not to do it. You know, try to make the wires make sense. The conductors should make sense. Run them shorter, not looped around. Just good housekeeping. It makes more sense. Make it a work of art. Hope you enjoyed the clip.